Every year, billions of cans of tuna fill supermarket shelves across the globe. From lunchtime sandwiches to protein-packed salads, tuna has become a kitchen staple for millions. But how does this ocean predator go from the deep sea to your pantry? Neatly sealed in a shiny tin. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of industrial tuna fishing and canning, revealing the massive operations, cutting-edge machinery, and careful processes that make it all possible. The journey begins far from land, in the vast open waters of the Pacific, Indian, and Atlantic Oceans. Most canned tuna comes from species like skipjack, yellowfin, and albacore, each prized for their texture, flavor, and high protein content. Industrial tuna vessels, often called purse seiners or longliners, are equipped for multi-week expeditions. These ships are floating factories, complete with cold storage, sonar systems, and massive nets. Using radar and aerial drones, crews locate schools of tuna, sometimes hundreds of meters beneath the surface. Once a school is spotted, a net up to 2 kilometers long is deployed in a massive circle. The bottom of the net is then drawn tight, like a purse, trapping the fish inside. The tuna are hauled aboard using hydraulic cranes, where they're immediately sorted by size and species. Each catch is recorded and reported, helping ensure sustainability and compliance with fishing quotas. Tuna degrades quickly once caught, so preserving quality is critical. Within minutes of landing, the fish are sent down conveyor belts into blast freezers, where temperatures plummet to -20 degrees Celsius or lower. This ultra-fast freezing process prevents bacterial growth and keeps the flesh firm. Larger vessels are equipped with cold storage chambers that hold hundreds of tons of frozen tuna for weeks until the vessel returns to port. Back on land, the frozen tuna are unloaded by crane and delivered to processing plants, some of which handle over 1,000 tons per day. Inside the facility, workers and machines sort the tuna by weight, length, and type. Fish that don't meet quality standards, damaged, undersized, or discolored, are discarded or diverted for animal feed or fertilizer. Accepted tuna are stored briefly in cold rooms until the processing line is ready. Before canning, tuna must be cooked, but not in boiling water. Instead, it's steamed in massive horizontal cookers called retorts. Each retort holds thousands of pounds of fish and uses pressurized steam to gently cook the tuna for 2 to 4 hours. This method retains the natural oils and preserves flavor while loosening bones and skin. After cooking, the tuna is left to cool and drain for several hours. Excess liquid is collected and sometimes repurposed into fish oil or broth products. Once cooled, the tuna is conveyed to the cleaning line. Here, skilled workers or automated cutters remove the skin, bones, fins, and any dark meat, leaving only clean, white fillets behind. This is one of the most labor-intensive steps, requiring precision to maximize yield. Some factories use X-ray inspection systems to detect and remove any stray bones or metal fragments, ensuring food safety standards are met. Now comes the iconic moment, filling the cans. A high-speed conveyor transports thousands of empty aluminum cans into a sterile filling room. Each can receives a carefully weighed portion of tuna, ranging from whole loins to flakes, depending on the product type. After the tuna is added, cans are filled with liquid. It could be water for a lighter, leaner product. Vegetable oil, to preserve texture and richness. Brine or broth for enhanced flavor. Once filled, the cans pass through a vacuum sealer, where airtight lids are crimped into place. To ensure safety and long shelf life, the sealed cans are sterilized in massive pressure cookers called autoclaves. Inside, they're heated to 116 to 121 degrees Celsius, 240 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, for 45 to 90 minutes. This kills any bacteria and ensures the tuna is shelf-stable for up to 5 years. After sterilization, cans are cooled using water showers and air dryers. With the tuna safely sealed inside, the final step is presentation. Cans are labeled using high-speed rotary machines that apply paper or shrink-wrap labels with precision. Quality control checks include barcode scanning, visual inspection for dents or leaks, weighing for accuracy. The cans are then packed into boxes, typically in sets of 12, 24, or bulk trays, for distribution to supermarkets, wholesalers, or food service companies. Each day, millions of cans leave these facilities bound for markets around the world. Whether by truck, container ship, or rail, the supply chain ensures that the tuna remains safe, traceable, and ready for shelves. Warehouses store the product at ambient temperature, and retail stores replenish shelves weekly to meet constant demand. From deep-sea harvesting to ultra-clean canning lines, the journey of canned tuna is a testament to modern food engineering. Every tin you open is the result of a highly coordinated process, combining tradition, technology, and sustainability. So next time you pop open a can of tuna, you'll know exactly what went into it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing journeys inside the world's biggest factories.
said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Hidden beneath the calm, tropical waters of the ocean lies one of nature's most mesmerizing treasures, the pearl. Unlike diamonds or gold that are mined, pearls are grown inside living organisms, oysters. And behind each lustrous gem is a meticulous, years-long journey involving science, patience, and a deep understanding of marine life. From underwater oyster farms to precision surgery like seeding, and from delicate harvesting to polishing and grading, the path to creating a single, flawless pearl is a blend of nature and craftsmanship. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of pearl farming. We'll follow the full process from juvenile oysters to the sparkling pearl jewelry seen in luxury boutiques. Every pearl starts not with a pearl, but with an oyster. Pearl production begins in specialized hatcheries, where pearl oyster larvae are bred under controlled conditions. The most commonly farmed species include the Akoya oyster, the South Sea oyster, and the Tahitian black-lipped oyster, each producing pearls of different size and color. To begin the process, adult oysters are encouraged to spawn. Scientists stimulate reproduction by changing water temperature or light exposure. Each female can release millions of eggs, which are fertilized with sperm collected from male oysters. Once the growing period is complete, it's time for the most rewarding step, the harvest. Oysters are brought back to shore and carefully opened by hand. A skilled worker uses a blunt tool to gently pry open the shell without damaging the pearl inside. With precise movements, the pearl is removed using tweezers. The nacre is evaluated immediately for luster, color, shape, and size. Only a small percentage of pearls are perfectly round. These are the most valuable. Others may be oval, baroque, or teardrop-shaped, which also find demand in modern jewelry. After extraction, many oysters are discarded, but in some farms, a second graft may be performed to grow a second pearl. However, the success rate and quality may decline after each cycle. Each harvested pearl is then washed, sorted, and ready for the next phase, cleaning and finishing. Bookmark: freshly harvested pearls are not yet R. First, they are washed in a mild saline solution to remove any organic residue. Then, they are gently polished with fine salt and a soft cloth to reveal their true luster. Next comes sorting and grading. Pearls are evaluated based on 5 main factors. Luster: the shine and reflectivity of the surface. 2. Surface quality: smoothness and the presence of blemishes. 3. Shape: round is the most prized, followed by symmetrical shapes. 4. Color, including body color and overtone. 5. Size, measured in millimeters. Highly trained graders examine each pearl under bright light and magnification. They separate pearls into matched batches for necklaces, earrings, or rings. Pearls with minor imperfections are often used for fashion jewelry, while top-tier pearls go to luxury designers. Once graded, pearls destined for jewelry are drilled, another delicate task. A specialized pearl drill creates tiny, precise holes without cracking the nacre. Round pearls may be drilled through the center for stringing, while half-drilled pearls are used for stud earrings. Drilling is performed slowly and underwater to reduce heat and vibration. After drilling, pearls are handed over to designers and jewelers who incorporate them into various settings: gold, silver, or platinum. High-end jewelry pieces may use only perfectly matched pearls, while fashion pieces may mix shapes and colors for creative appeal. Pearl jewelry is often assembled by hand, with strict attention to symmetry, spacing, and durability. From simple pearl studs to ornate necklaces, each item is a celebration of marine beauty and human craftsmanship. From a microscopic larva to a radiant gem worn around the neck, the journey of a pearl is a true testament to the wonders of nature and the power of patience. Each pearl holds within it not only layers of nacre, but also years of care, precision, and marine stewardship. In a world of mass production, pearl farming stands as a rare blend of biology,